Seng Samla Umden Nongtlhuh mendakasi ke arpun rutrik menaitung kalau Pynlongb program ajing pensyah di kena skol jong ketika tanj pangka CUET National Education Policy arjar arpau. Hakan ni kasih lawan bersak hilang daw MLA kanong po ba Meral Bons haka jingiron kat Dr. Ksanbok makdok Professor Ladikin College Shillong baru Andrew Mayong President Seng Samla Umden Nongtlhuh. Bat ki kena skol ke Saint Joseph Higher Secondary School Friendly Academy bat Nongtlhuh di One Higher Secondary School.
What is National Education Policy? What are the changes in it? Students, they are in conversation with their parents. What is National Education Policy? What is CUET? And so on. Based on all this observation, as a local MLA, I always encourage Seng Samla, youth organization, civil society, NGO to come forward to organize such kind of program to enlighten our students so that they will know better about the policy, about the exam that is going to be conducted by the government at different levels. That's why in this humble beginning, I have been associated with the Seng Samla, encourage them that they should come forward to organize a program to enlighten our students. And I'm happy that in this humble beginning, I could be part to help them, to guide them. But a special thanks to the Seng Samla Umden Nongtlhuh, who have been dedicatedly converse themselves into this humble cause for the benefit of each and every one of you. And a special thanks to Dr. Ksanbok for your valuable time, despite being a very busy professor in your college, but you make yourself be here today. Kalau kau bersukumen berkung unang mikmat jumhi, kadang kadang sungkia haladay. Hakabade berkibabun kilongging, kibabun kimi kikpa jumhi. Dan yang bro, kibabat caire sapangka National Education Policy. Kita percaya cepang ke CUET exam. Ek la cai, ek la tip, ek la apiar, berkata-kata. Mereka pun percaya berarti. Dan tak kenal MLA, kalau jadi dulu iksan sama, ya ki sen malam, ki sports club, berkini sen, naga pertama kain sil, Pynlongb ya awareness program juga mungkin Nagalim juga madon benta banyarap naga benta kuno banyarap iki jumlah konsep banyarap. Kini baru ini kita organize pada ka SR dulu ini skin bagi kum MLA kita. Nampak kita kam apa conduct iki awareness and seminar kum ini. Marba kadang ke provision dan terkenal nagalim juga musuhnya panggil jemput tinam di kum student kibuan itu hingga jauh tip Pynlongb kata National Education Policy. Aktif beraya, kita tiphan, Pynlongb kata exam. Bagi dokumen by Dr. Ksanbok lawan, subhanallah dengan subhanallah dunia teruskan program itu pun dari langit. Bah kita yo isembok perkat, ijing syai nampak khusus dosen ibadat dan ilmu dan seni.